Building a website, it's the digital handshake, the virtual storefront, the online portfolio that can make or break your brand in today's connected world. But with a plethora of platforms vying for your attention, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a labyrinth. Fear not, intrepid entrepreneur, for we're here to demystify two titans of the website building arena, Wix and Squarespace. Both platforms offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, a treasure trove of templates, and the power to launch your online presence without writing a single line of code. But beneath the surface lie nuanced differences in features, pricing, and overall user experience that cater to distinct needs. So, buckle up as we delve into the world of Wix and Squarespace, empowering you to make an informed decision for your digital domain. Wix bursts onto the scene with an unparalleled commitment to user-friendliness. Its intuitive drag-and-drop editor is a playground for creativity, allowing you to place elements precisely where your heart desires. Need to tweak that image? Just drag it, drop it, and voila! No need to wrestle with restrictive grids or arcane code. But Wix is more than just a pretty interface. It boasts an app market teeming with integrations, from e-commerce solutions to social media feeds, allowing you to customize your website's functionality with ease. And the numbers don't lie. With over 200 million users worldwide, Wix stands as a testament to its user-friendly approach and robust feature set. If you're looking for a platform that empowers you to unleash your inner designer without breaking a sweat, Wix might just be your new best friend. Step into the world of Squarespace, where sleek aesthetics and curated templates reign supreme. Squarespace prides itself on delivering polished, visually stunning websites that exude professionalism from every pixel. Their award-winning templates, crafted by a team of talented designers, provide a sophisticated foundation for your online presence. While Squarespace's drag-and-drop editor might not offer the same granular control as Wix, it excels in guiding you towards a cohesive, visually appealing design. Its streamlined interface and curated design options make it a favorite among creatives, bloggers, and businesses seeking an effortlessly stylish online presence. Section 4. Weighing the pros and cons. So how do these titans stack up when we pit their strengths and weaknesses against each other? Wix shines with its unparalleled ease of use, extensive app market, and granular design control. Its free plan offers a fantastic starting point for budget-conscious users, while its premium plans cater to a wide range of needs. However, Wix's design flexibility can sometimes lead to cluttered layouts if not wielded with a discerning eye. Squarespace, on the other hand, captivates with its stunning templates, streamlined interface, and focus on visual aesthetics. It's the go-to choice for users who prioritize style and simplicity. However, Squarespace's emphasis on curated design comes at the cost of customization options, which might feel limiting to some users. Section 5. The verdict: which platform reigns supreme? The ultimate verdict? It depends. Wix emerges as the champion for users seeking maximum design flexibility, a vast app ecosystem, and budget-friendly options. Its intuitive editor empowers both beginners and experienced users to bring their creative visions to life. Squarespace, however, claims the throne for users who prioritize stunning aesthetics, ease of use, and a curated design experience. Its award-winning templates and streamlined interface make it a breeze to create a visually impactful website without getting bogged down in technical details. Ultimately, the best platform for you hinges on your unique needs, priorities, and design sensibilities. So, take advantage of free trials, explore their template libraries, and don't hesitate to experiment until you find the platform that feels like the perfect fit for your digital masterpiece.